Hello everyone, my name is Shivkanya. I welcome you to the conditional clause series. As you know, there are 4 types of conditionals in English. The first type, which is a zero conditional, is explained in the first lesson. The link of the same one is given in the I button and in the description box. Please check it. In this lesson, we are going to see the second type of conditional, which is called the first conditional or conditional one. Let's start with the examples. This is a series of events that may happen in any common man's life. It is quite interesting. Let's read them out so you get a better idea of the first conditional. Let's see. If I need money, I will get a job. If I get a job, I will work hard. If I work hard, I will get a promotion. If I get a promotion, I will get more money. If I get more money, I will buy a laptop. If I buy a laptop, I will play online games. If I play online games, I will stay up late. If I stay up late, I will be late for work. If I am late for work, my boss will fire me out. If my boss fires me out, I will look for a new job. So these are all real life situations, real possibilities. If such and such thing happens, this and this thing will happen. So let's see what is the pattern that is used here. First, we need to understand where the if clause is and the main clause is there. Let's mark all the if clauses in the sentences. The if clause that has the beginning with an if is called an if clause. I told the same in the first episode also. I am repeating here as well. If my boss fires me out. All these are if clauses and the remaining part of the sentence is called a main clause. These are all main clauses. Okay, main clauses. Now let's see which tense is used in the if clause. I need money. Need is in the simple present tense. Get, present tense. Work, get, buy, play, stay up. It is a phrase. Am, fires me out. Fire out is a phrase which is split by putting me inside. So these are all the verbs which are in the simple present tense. Simple present. In the if clause, we need to use the simple present. In the main clause, what we can use? You can see the pattern over here. Will get, will work, will get, will buy, will play, will stay up, will be, will fire out, will look for. These all verbs are in the simple future tense. So the pattern is very simple. In the if clause, you need to use the simple present, and in the main clause, you need to use the simple future. Simple future, will plus V1. That's the simple future. Let's compare the zero conditional with the first conditional. The zero conditional is used when you want to state a scientific truth, a general truth, or a habit. And the first conditional is used when you want to talk about the real life situations, the strong possibilities and probabilities. What is the difference between their patterns? In zero conditional, we need to use the simple present tense in both the clauses, and as you can see in the first conditional, you need to use the simple present in if clause and simple future, that is will plus V1 in the main clause. Simple as that. Hope the difference between the zero conditional and the first conditional is clear. Now it's your turn. I am going to show you 3 examples. You are going to find out a sentence in which the first conditional is used. Here we go. Write your answer in the comment section. Hope the lesson was useful for you. We'll be back very soon with the second conditional clause. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you for your time, love and support. Ciao.